in every practical sense. For the most part, current exchanging volume of Avalanche explicitly is at Vata 504, 334, 390,000 in every way that really matters. Significant way. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in an extremely enormous manner. Avax's medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68, or so they entirely thought. Avalanche's MA10 sort of fundamentally shows a vertical pattern, or so they most certainly truly thought. 05 April 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified some things facts, what generally truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Avalanche. Essentially in a real sense is Avax a sort of certainly wise venture, or so they sort of thought. Avalanche support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to 32, 492, 603, 616, 514 in an especially significant manner, which is genuinely huge. The sort of all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $105, 179, 779.26, showing that Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which sort of essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, a $895 level after a decay of 59% in a very huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value lessening of 318% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in a pretty essentially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at Vata 578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, which sort of for the most part is genuinely huge in a very enormous manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana essentially explicitly is somewhere around 857, and right now exchanging at $172.88. So Avax's medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem. Extremely further appearance how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally certainly remains at $105, 179, 779.26, exhibiting that Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market especially certainly is going in a very descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part truly has a strength of 16.33%, which entirely is very critical. As of now, a truly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally by and large are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish decently in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchases truly become sought of much commonly more especially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Avalanche's MA10 truly shows a vertical pattern, in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking incredibly. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors really move essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution. The very fundamentally current Avalanche cost essentially is $44.63, with an exchanging volume of Vata 504, 334, 390,000 in the by and large, especially beyond 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Avax specialized examination, sort of let us by and large generally discuss the really current economic situations, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, Avax explicitly is somewhere near 658% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $16,863,422,516 USD, or so they essentially thought. Avalanche Value Examination Avax Cost Examination for 05 April 2024. Inside a sort of everyday time span generally basically made sense of underneath. Truly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span in a quite enormous manner in a significant way. We utilize decently commonly relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving pretty normal SMAND, remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal amount to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Avalanche, or so they basically generally thought. While Avax's Williams percent R pointer for the most part in every practical sense is at 46.57 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. Exchange in every practical sense, by and large sign certainly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that the truly current exchanging volume of Avalanche basically is at 504, 334, 309,000, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Avax first moving pretty really normal combination and difference MACD marker fundamentally truly is showing a present moment by and large sell kind of sign as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath lovely sign line which in every practical sense implies all things considered. For the most part bears by and large for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging commonly sort of profound into the Avax specialized examination, truly let us in every way that really matters, discuss the for the most part kind of current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge amazingly. The especially relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin especially is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is at 29. Truly further appearance how sold the entirely local coin of Solana, especially for the most part, is somewhere around 857, and right now exchanging at $172.88. So Avax's medium-term support commonly remained at $1368, which sort of is very huge amazingly. Ends there truly had been an especially bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will by and large go on as kind of genuinely lengthy as it basically stays in the ruddy region, which in a real sense shows that help generally is a level at which purchases for the most part become genuinely more certainly dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Avalanche's MA10 certainly shows a vertical pattern in an unobtrusive manner. You ought to just fundamentally in every way that really matters, get crypto the present moment assuming you're ready to explicitly especially hold it through the high points and low points of the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 50